When it comes to this weekend, Miami-Dade County leaders say the warning period is over. People who don't look out for the health of others and themselves could quickly get the attention of police. CBS 4's Ty Russell is live for us tonight at Jackson Memorial Hospital with more on this. Ty.
In Francis and Elliott, county leaders are closely watching hospital numbers here. Miami-Dade Mayor Carlos Gimenez says there are a number of ventilators, there are a number of beds available, there are enough available for people who need them. However, they are cracking down this weekend on large gatherings and businesses where people like to gather. A warning from Miami-Dade leaders as we approach Father's Day.
If those families don't live together in the same household, they need to maintain social distancing.
Miami-Dade Mayor Carlos Gimenez is also cracking down on shops and restaurants where people like to gather. Police may order a business shut if owners ignore new normal guidelines.
It's not going to be a simple, I promise, and you're open in 5 minutes. It's going to be longer than that.
Owners will need to sign a document and get approval to reopen. That puts the pressure on owners to crack down on customers and workers.
Sometimes people get lazy. We correct it, but it is on the owner of the business to ensure that they are in compliance.
COVID-19 cases and hospitalizations are up statewide. Local leaders don't have proof, but suspect gatherings at businesses and in some cases protests may have caused the spike. The mayor's idea.
Just tell the organizers to remind their protesters, the people that are protesting, try to keep it separate, wear a mask.
At Florida International University Friday, Governor Ron DeSantis says more people in their 20s, 30s, and 40s are getting the virus.
The people who are testing positive now are not symptomatic. Or last week, the median age of all the positive tests in the state of Florida was 37.
The governor says that's a reason he's increasing testing for workers at facilities for the most vulnerable.
Requiring testing at least every 2 weeks of all staff in long-term care facilities in the state of Florida.
Miami-Dade has been hovering around 600 COVID-19 patients a day. Friday, about 120 were in the ICU. University of Miami doctors say the overall length of stay is falling for those not in the ICU. The average is a week-long stay. And health leaders have 3 steps to help lower the number of sick people.
Mask, social distancing, washing your hands.
So if you're out this weekend, make sure to follow the rules.
And that's what our focus is now, tougher enforcement of the new normal rules.
And the mayor of Miami-Dade County also says he was expecting an increase in cases because of the reopening of restaurants along with other shops. However, he says the county is not ready to move in another phase because of the increase in cases. We are live in the city of Miami. I'm Ty Russell, CBS 4 News Tonight.